How to collect Vinca seeds. Vincas are low-hanging creeping perennial flowers that are popular because they can grow in various climates and soil conditions. Vincas are available in many bright colors: red, yellow, purple and pink, and require very little maintenance. To avoid paying for Vinca seeds, many gardeners collect them from existing plants. Collecting the seeds is a simple process that does not require extensive gardening skills or knowledge. Things you will need: Vinca plant. Knife. A paring knife works well. Plastic bag. Find the elongated pod on the Vinca plant. It should be on the flower stem, just under the flowers. The pod is approximately 2 inches in length and yellowish-green in color. Snap the Vinca pod off of the stem using your thumb and index finger. Vinca pods are not thick and will not be difficult to remove. Using your paring or kitchen knife, slice lengthwise down the length of the pod. Open the pod flap to reveal the seeds inside. Vinca seeds are similar to sunflower seeds in shape and color, although they may reach up to 1 inch in length. Remove the seeds from the pod and place them in a plastic zip-top bag for future planting. Tips. Warnings. Although Vincas may be planted yearly, the optimal time to plant Vinca seeds is in early spring,